This 2024 Coachmen Catalina Destination 40BHTS2Q, 2 full bedrooms with queen beds is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 40 feet 11 inches in length and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 10, auxiliary battery, TV, air conditioning, DVD player, refrigerator, external shower, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, slide-out, skylight, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features mid-kitchen, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Catalina Destination 40BHTS2Q, 2 full bedrooms with queen beds is 9,495 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.